Welcome to the Sycamore School, where we do learning differently. At the Sycamore School, our vision is to cultivate engaged, independent, lifelong learners who can think critically and apply their knowledge to real-world experiences to achieve personal success and contribute positively to their community. This vision drives everything we do, from our curriculum design to teaching methods, ensuring that every student is prepared for academic success and life. Our goal is to inspire a passion for learning that goes beyond the classroom, encourage self-discovery, and build connections to the community. We want our students to be curious, self-aware, and actively engaged in the world around them. To embody our principles, we focus on 3 foundational pillars, or as we like to call them, our 3 roots. Our first root is academic development. Our commitment to academic excellence ensures that students receive a robust, challenging education that prepares them for future academic and professional endeavors. Our second root is social and emotional growth. We prioritize our students' social and emotional well-being, helping them develop resilience, empathy, and strong interpersonal skills. And our third root is civic engagement. We encourage our students to be active and responsible members of their community. By participating in civic engagement activities, they learn the importance of contributing to the greater good and becoming empowered to make a positive impact. These 3 roots support the holistic development of our students, ensuring they are well-rounded individuals ready to face the challenges of the future. In our diverse and ever-changing world, embracing inclusivity is not just important, it is essential. At TSS, we are committed to fostering a culture where every student, teacher, and parent can thrive. We believe that our differences make us stronger. At the Sycamore School, we strive to embody these principles every day. Our teachers are dedicated to inclusive education, our staff works tirelessly to support every student's needs, and our students show kindness and respect to their peers. We also encourage open dialogue about inclusivity, understanding that we can always do more to improve. A significant portion of our students identify as LGBTQ+, and we credit that to the safe space we have created here at TSS. Nestled right outside of DC, our campus offers students a unique blend of academic rigor, cultural enrichment, professional development, and civic engagement opportunities. It is a place where learning extends far beyond the classroom walls, shaping well-rounded individuals prepared to impact the world positively. How do you know if TSS is the right fit for you? Does your student come home daily with hours of unnecessary work? Has the love of learning faded over time, leading to a kid who hates school? Is your current school just not seeing your students as the individuals they are, even though they're thriving academically? If your student needs to move around, thinks creatively, is self-motivated, or is easily bored, sometimes disengaged or anxious, or just simply surviving and not thriving at their current school, you'll find that TSS is the perfect fit for you. First and foremost, we pride ourselves on our small class sizes, which allow for more personalized attention and foster stronger relationships between students and teachers. We place a significant emphasis on building a close-knit community and nurturing those relationships. Our middle school students benefit from a homework-free environment, which allows them to engage deeply with their learning during school hours and have more balanced lives outside of school. To support our students' well-being, we have 2 full-time counselors on staff, ensuring each student has access to the emotional and social support they need. Our teachers support students with planning, organization, time management, attention challenges, poor working memory, slow processing speed, and more. We ensure that all students receive the help they need to succeed. One of our unique features is our community-based Learning Fridays. These days are dedicated to hands-on experiential learning in the community, providing students with real-world experiences and a chance to apply their knowledge in meaningful ways. We also prepare our students for college, career, and lifelong learning through our mastery-based learning approach. This method ensures that students truly understand and can apply their knowledge, equipping them with the skills they need to succeed in whatever path they choose. Competency-based learning promotes an empowering, safe, and inclusive school environment. It allows students to progress at their own pace, ensuring they fully understand each concept before moving on. This method fosters a growth mindset, encouraging students to see challenges as opportunities for growing and learning. By focusing on mastery rather than grades, we create a space where students are motivated to learn and grow, setting the stage for lifelong success. Instead of grades, we use 6 core competencies to measure student progress. Research skills enable students to gather, analyze, and interpret information effectively. Effective communication skills are vital for success in any area. This includes expressing ideas clearly and persuasively, listening actively, and engaging in meaningful dialogue. Executive functioning skills help manage oneself and one's resources to achieve a goal. This includes skills like time management, organization, planning, and goal setting. By developing strong executive functioning skills, students learn to navigate complex tasks and responsibilities effectively in school and in their personal lives. Self-directed learning empowers students to take charge of their own learning process. It involves setting personal learning goals, seeking out resources, and reflecting on their progress. Understanding self and others is a competency that focuses on social emotional learning and empathy. Students learn to understand their own emotions, strengths and weaknesses, and those of others. This awareness fosters better relationships, conflict resolution, and a supportive community environment. Critical thinking involves analyzing information objectively and making reasoned judgments. Problem solving requires identifying issues, generating possible solutions, and implementing effective strategies. By focusing on these 6 competencies, we equip our students with the tools they need to excel academically and personally. They become more independent, capable, and confident individuals, prepared to contribute positively to their communities and succeed in their future endeavors. Traditional learning focuses on content and seat time, is teacher-centered, and often involves large volumes of homework. Competency-based learning focuses on skills, is self-paced, student-centered, and involves minimal to no homework. Our experience classes exemplify our transdisciplinary approach. They weave together history, English, and science under a common theme. Each cohort explores a different experience class that revolves around a specific theme that changes each year. Our experience classes such as Middle School 1, The World Around Me, and High School 3, Changemakers, allow students to explore various subjects in depth. In the Changemakers experience class, for example, students tackled essential questions and explored themes such as physics of sound, history of broadcasting, and the rise of the environmental movement. Assessments at TSS are varied and include essays, creative writing, audio and visual content creation, weekly reflections, book discussions, and more. Each semester features a major project, such as designing a museum exhibit or creating a consumer protection plan. Our curriculum focuses on building academic, executive functioning, and social-emotional skills. Middle school students have no homework, but are given opportunities to connect concepts across content areas during the school day. High school students are prepared for college and the workforce, with purposeful homework and a focus on independent living and learning. Middle school math at TSS uses a project-based curriculum that assesses students' growth through a comprehensive understanding of concepts and skills. We also offer a high school literacy class for incoming high schoolers as well as students needing a little extra support with their literacy skills. High school literacy at TSS includes units on social media, social commentary and science fiction, and the science of branding. We offer a variety of electives to cater to diverse interests that students can choose from. Students at TSS enjoy ample outside time and community-based learning Fridays, where they engage with the community and apply their learning in real-world settings. We have a large variety of after-school clubs, with new ones offered every quarter. These clubs allow students to explore their interests, try new things, and build a sense of community. One of the greatest parts of TSS is our college and career team. We prepare high school students for college and career readiness through resume building, internships, and college and career counseling. Students graduate with a strong sense of ownership over their learning and prepared for the future. TSS's graduation requirements include foundational and advanced credits, required classes, work experience, an academic capstone, community service, and a final portfolio presentation. These credits that students receive are a part of what goes into their student mastery-based transcript. A mastery-based transcript is a digital portfolio that provides a holistic view of their competencies, courses taken, and evidence of their work. We work with colleges to ensure they understand and value the MTC transcript. We have had many seniors get into top colleges in the country, and every senior this year was accepted to one of their top choices. A mastery transcript is an asset, as it makes our students stand out. The TSS admissions process involves 5 key steps, one of which you started today by watching this session. We look forward to guiding you through this process and welcoming you to the Sycamore community. Thank you so much for watching our virtual parent information session. If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help and look forward to supporting your child's educational journey at the Sycamore School.